I am. What can I do for you?
Beta is going to Abu Dhabi next week. Let's throw a farewell party for him.
That sounds perfect. Any ideas?
What about making beef skin soup with pension nuts?
Oh, good idea. What do we need?
We need a quarter kilograms of meatloaf and 3 pension nuts.
Do we need any onion and candle nuts?
Yes, we do. We need 1 onion and 3 candle nuts.
Do we need any cayenne pepper?
Yes, we do. We need some cayenne pepper.
We also need some garlic, red onions, galangers, bay leaves, pepper, and a little soy sauce.
Alright, wait, let me take notes.
Yes. It seems that we missed something. What about kerupuk usap?
What is that?
Kerupuk usap is Japanese crackers cooked with sand,
Wow, that's weird.
but it tastes good.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go shopping.
Oh, let's do.